You say that.
Okay. So Tejas, what are you going to show? What are you going to teach today?
How to make a moth.
How can you make a moth? Okay.
Take this green and then put these blacks on. You need two. It broke. Now, I got the top wings on.
Mm. You want to say what you're doing step by step?
Making one. I got three. So I got 1, 2, 3. I got step number 3. Look, that's step number 3.
Okay.
Step number 4. There's 5 steps for each one. But there, you got a butterfly. Flap, flap, flap. But now we have to turn it into a moth. So, how to make a moth? Take your butterfly, that's this, and put these little pieces on. Yeah. But you need a little space. So, turn this little spot, and then you make a moth.
Whoa. Cool.
To stand. I need to stand it up.
Nice.
So we're gonna make the same thing.
What are you gonna make now?
A moth.
Okay.
The male yellow-eyed moth.
This is a male moth?
No, this is the female yellow-eyed.
Okay.
And this is the male yellow-eyed.
Alright, Tejas, let's start our adventure.
No, I'm teaching people how
He's
to make
finishing teaching.
Oh, okay.
it. So, step number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Step number 2. But the wings are much shorter, right? Look. Look at the wings. They're much shorter. Look, the wings are shorter. We got 2 more Tesla wings. So,
Got it.
this is how to make it. This is how to make it. Look. And then you're done with this one.
Whoa.
Look at them all. These are the same type. They're both the yellow-eyed moth.
Nice.
But
Which
look.
is so one is a female, one is a male moth.
Female. Male.
Nice.
Female, male, female, male.
Awesome. Thank you, Tejas. That was easy.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye.